Hello everyone, and welcome back to Online Money Tactics, where we talk and share about ideas about making money online using your phone or laptop, and you can do it from any part of the world. It's possible to earn $1,200 every month from these tactics I'm about to show you, and you can rinse and repeat. You can do this over and over again. You don't have to sell anything or be an online guru to leverage on this particular tactics I'm going to be showing you. So with that being said, welcome to this channel once again. And if today is the first time of you coming to my channel, or if you come before you didn't subscribe, I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel and smash that notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos or better videos than this one, YouTube is going to notify you. And if at the end of this video, or probably during this video, you gain any value, leave a like on this video. That will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and share this video with your friends as well, because I want us all to win together. And as you're making money, your friends, your family members are making money as well online. So with that being said, let's go right into it. The website we're going to be using today to generate passive income is called uplift.com. Advice you don't click off from this video, probably because you've heard about Uplift and you know what's all about. You want to click off. I'll advise you not to click off, because I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with this website, a different brand new method and tactics that you're going to use to make money passively with this website. For those of us that don't know what Uplift is a website we'll be using to generate passive income online today. Uplift is a platform that provides a service to assist people to develop their Instagram accounts and followers. And a lot of people out there want to grow their Instagram account, probably become influencers online and do stuffs online. When you have lots of following on Instagram, organizations and companies will want to meet you to help them promote their products and services. That's why people want to grow their accounts. So we'll be looking for those people that want to grow their accounts and introduce Uplift to them, because Uplift helps people to grow their Instagram accounts and their followers. And don't worry, you must not have an Instagram account, or probably even though you have an Instagram account, you don't have to have probably a huge following to use these websites to earn passive income online. I'll be showing you, so stick with me to the end of this video, because I'll be giving you a done for you script to make the process easy for you, so you can start making money online right away, even if you are a newbie. And for those of you that don't know what Instagram is a social media platform where people post pictures, post videos, you get likes and comments and all of that, and you get to interact with people all over the world, celebrities, with your friends, and make new friends and meet new people. So Instagram is an awesome place. I for one love Instagram so much, and I'm growing my followers as well on Instagram. And I'd like you to comment your Instagram handle in the comment section below, so I can follow you and you follow back, so we can all grow together as well. So first of all, when you come to this website, you want to go through it and see what it's all about. And let me show you real quick how you'll be earning to make money on here. As you can see, if you want to get 100 followers, it's $3. If you want to get 500 followers, it's $5. If you want to get 1,000 followers, is $9. And don't worry, you won't be buying anything. This method I'm going to be showing you don't require any skill. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need to buy anything. It's totally free of charge. Just follow the step-by-step process I'm going to be showing you, and you're going to start making money online. So if you come on here, it said get more followers. They don't need a password. You get likes instantly fast, and they have the best customer care support as well. And if you scroll down, you're going to see what people are saying about Uplift. Is a great way to grow my Instagram follower. And it has been our customer for over 3 years. See what she has to say about growing with Uplift, and so on and so forth. You can see lots of them here. So first of all, if you also come here, you're going to see what people are saying about Uplift and their services and how they've used it to grow their accounts. So when you scroll down to the down of the page, I want to come on here and click on affiliates. Here we'll be promoting Uplift as an affiliate, and I'm going to be showing you how to drive traffic, how to get people to buy followers on Instagram using your Uplift link, and thereby you making money online. So once you come on here, click on affiliates, and it's going to bring you on here to this page. As you can see, it said become an affiliate for free. To become an affiliate, it's for free. Next thing, number 2 here said generate your custom link, your link that you will be promoting. Then share your link everywhere, everywhere on the internet. Anywhere you want to share your link, you can share your link on the internet. It said sharing your URL is crucial to earning yourself your current commission. We value affiliates of all sizes, but really appreciate affiliates that build out custom funnels to really snowball their own recurring revenue. The more order we get, the more commission you will see. And this last part, after sharing your URL, you start getting paid, you start getting traction and all of that. And it's said on here, each client you bring to Uplift delivers you 30% commission of every order you place with Uplift. Payments are made at threshold. As you can see, you get 30% of any package that anybody will be referring to this site gets pays on this website. So when you come on here, you want to click on become an affiliate. When you click on that, it's going to take you right to this page. You just need to fill in your first name. You just need to fill in your first name and your email, your last name in your email. Then you want to put in your password. So you can see I filled in all the informations on here, and you come on here. After filling all the informations, you click on sign up, and it's going to sign you up real quick. And here is my dashboard. I know they must have sent me a link to verify my account to my email address. I'll do that later, but for the sake of this video I won't go through that. But you have to verify your account using the link sent to your email. As you can see, you can set up your order profile. So after registering on Uplift and completing your profile, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. You can see today the clicks, conversion, the commission you've earned, the clicks you've had for the past 28 days, conversions you've had, and all of that, geo distribution, the people that are clicking on your link, where are they from, which country are they from, and so on and so forth. So you want to come on here, says assets, click on assets, and on here you can see your referral link. This is my referral link. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be promoting this referral link, and that is where I'm going to be introducing you to Quora. And I know you must have heard about Quora, but if for the purpose of this video you've not heard about Quora, Quora is a place where people post stuffs and interact with other people. They discuss relevant things with people on how to do some stuffs online, on constructing something, people how to do stuffs online. People also come here to ask questions about things that are confusing them or things they want to know more about. They come on here, they ask the questions, and lots of people come and answer the questions as well. So we will be using Quora. As you can see, I have an account with Quora already. If you don't have an account with Quora, you can just go sign up for an account. It's very easy to sign up for an account. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to skip that part of showing you how to sign up on Quora. It's very easy, like every other way you sign up on every other website. So when you come on Quora, you want to come on here and you want to type something like words is the best way to grow my Instagram account quickly. you want to put on that, you want to ask that question. As I said on here, people come on here to ask questions, and we will be answering those questions for there. As you can see, these are lots of questions because a lot of people want to grow their Instagram account. This one's is asking what's the best strategy for growing my account on Instagram. If you open that in a new tab, this one said what is the quickest way to increase Instagram followers. You want to open that in a new link, in a new tab. This one said how do I get more followers on Instagram. You want to open that in a new tab as well. If you come on here, as you can see, there are people answering these questions already. This person posted this, and this one have had 218 people has seen this post. As you can see, this person did put his WhatsApp number here and his email address for you to contact him or her. This same person did the same thing, and so on and so forth. As you can see, people are answering these questions. Let me go to the second one. What is the quickest way to increase Instagram followers? As you can see, there are lots of people answering these questions as well, and you can see most of them are putting their links to their to whatever they are promoting, websites for adding Instagram followers for free, and so on and so forth. I'm sure if you click on that, that's going to be an affiliate link. They're promoting something there, and so on and so forth. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be answering this question, and you might want to ask, how will you be answering this question? First of all, when you click on here on answer, it's going to bring up something like this for you. And mind you, you can do this on your phone as well. So you come to Google and you type how to grow my Instagram account. As you can see, this one said 15 ways to get more followers on Instagram, how to get more followers on Instagram, and so on and so forth. So I open this in a new tab. As you can see, this website now talks about how to grow your Instagram account. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to copy this. You want to copy this first one. Copy that. You want to copy that. You might want to use Quillbot to rewrite this this article you just copied. I've talked about Quillbot in my previous videos. If you want to use Quillbot to rewrite this text you just copied, and it's going to rewrite it for you, so it doesn't have to be that you have written the same thing that someone else have written. So you come on here and you paste it, and it's going to paraphrase it for you. It's going to paraphrase it for you, and you come on here to Quora, and you come on here to Quora, and you want to paste that. You want to paste that. As you can see, use right hashtag. This is number 1. So you want to scroll down and you want to write something like so after copying the article that you copied from the other website and paste it here, what you want to do, you say here is my number 1. Okay, let me correct that. Here is my number 1 recommended way to grow. Wow, okay, that's a mistake. To grow your Instagram account. Then you say click here. You want to come back here to Uplift and copy your URL. Copy that. Copy your URL. Then come back on here. Come back on here. I want to highlight this. I want to highlight, click here. I want to come on here to this place that is showing like a chain like stuff here. I want to paste the URL there. I want to click on add, and once you do that, click here is going to change to a link. So whenever anyone clicks here, it's going to take them straight to your affiliate affiliate page, and if they purchase anything, you're going to be earning recurring commission. And as you can see here, affiliate disclaimer: this article contains an affiliate link, and I will be earning some commissions if you buy anything from the website. This is very important so that Quora will not bring down your article because it contains an affiliate link and so on and so forth. So after answering the questions, you want to click on here that says post. I want to post that, and as you can see, our articles have been posted, and that is it on here. This is it. So what you want to do is go ahead and answer lots of these questions. As you can see, they read through and all of that, read through, and they come on here. And they see click here, and once they click on that link, it's going to take them to your Uplift account on here, and whenever they make a purchase, you're going to earn some commissions from that purchase. So that is how you make money on Uplift. You can come on here and answer as many of these questions as you can. All you have to do is copy bit by bit. This is number 1. This number 2 can answer another question. Number 3 can answer. Number 4 can answer another question. And this is another article on here. As you can see, it has number 1. There's number 2. You can go and copy each and every one of them to answer each questions on here on Quora, leaving your links, pasting your links, and all of that. Don't post the same answer for the same questions over and over again, and all of that. Another bonus tips I want to give to you: you can come on Instagram and you can look for people who have little or no followers. You want to follow them. After following them, you want to send them a message and be like, hey, do you know you can grow your Instagram account, blah blah blah. I have a way for you to grow your account. Number 1 recommended way. Give them your Uplift affiliate link. Tell them to go check it out, and definitely if you can send up to 50 messages out there every day, definitely you're going to earn money online. So that's it, guys, on this video, and thank you for watching up to this up to the end of this video. And for more awesome ways to work to make money online, there will be 2 videos popping up on your screen right now. Just go out there and check them out, and I'm sure you're going to make money online. So if after watching this video you gain any value, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel, share this channel with your friends, and I will see you on my next video. And like I always say, don't just watch these videos. After watching it, implement what you've watched, and definitely you're going to make money online. So it's like, see you next time in my next video. Stay blessed, and don't forget that Matthew loves you.